to my father, I said, he wants to get married, he said. Well, he said, and what position is he in? Oh, I said, £10 a month.
That's
he
right.
said, you can never live on that, he said. Not to what I've been used to, he said. Now, he said, why don't you ask him if he'd like for me to teach him my trade
In the fish.
in the fish?
I used to go around with your father when I was out of
Yes,
work.
but I was going to say that.
Wasn't I? And we used to go down Cymru Street, Caerdydd Street, and over the Black Bridge. I used to push the truck, and he used to shout out, "Fish alive! Fine lavy! Fine lavy!"
You was
And of
getting
course-
taught then the trade,
Yeah,
you
well,
know,
I
how
was
to
learning.
the
And
fish.
when he was cutting up the egg, I used to watch him how he used to cut it. And then he was filling the fish, the plaice and other such fish. I'd watch him how he used to fill it, from the head to tail, tail to head. And that's how I learnt it.